Hello, welcome to Spy Money. We're going to talk about SpyBot Ranger bot that I released tonight. And I went over the live training with everyone tonight, and it's actually working really well. I posted the settings in, and what we're trying to do is work with the Apex customers on this. So if you have not joined Apex, if you go into my funded account up here at the top, click on that. And that will bring you here. You can save 50% off by using this coupon right here. So whenever you enroll, you click on that. What you want to do, what I think should do, I like the $150,000 account. And the reason I do is because of the $5,000 trailing threshold. You can run the bot that we have. You could do it on the $25,000 account or higher. And if you use it on the $25,000 account, I suggest that you probably ought to use like one contract. And on the $50,000, you can use 2 contracts. And on the $75,000, you could use 3 contracts. And actually, $75,000, you can use a 2 contract on that as well. So 1, 2, 2. And then when you come down to this one, you could run 3 and you could run 4 on your $150,000 account. Now, what we're trying to do is make $500. Well, it's actually $250 per contract. It's what you're making per day. And we run this on, let's see, go back in here. And if you go in and sign up, make sure that you use my coupon right here. Save 50% off. So what we're going to do is show you what SpyBot Ranger has made over the last week. And these are actual trades that I pulled up on playback just to show what it was, what you would have made if you had run this on that. Now on Thursday night, I actually run it on a live account. I run 10 contracts on Thursday night, and I made $3,100 in profit on it. So I actually put my money on it. So this one, it actually made $3,100 for me on Thursday night. Friday night, of course, it wasn't open, so I couldn't run it. I will be running it tomorrow night on Sunday. So I got these mixed up a little bit, so I'm going to have to explain something on the dollars. And over the course of last week, from Sunday night through Thursday night, it made $2,700, $2,706.36. That's with the commissions taken out. That's what it made. So in 1 week's time, that's $2,700. This is Sunday night. This is the trade that it actually entered and exited on its own. We have it close out on a session P&L of $500 for the trade. We take 2 contracts, we make $500, and it shuts off. Now, it would have possibly made more money, maybe not, but in these settings, this is what it would have done. Now, when we go to the second day, I forgot to run this day first. So I had to go in. This is the second day, which would be Monday night. So Monday night, we had a losing trade, and then it ended up making money here. So it totaled $529.48. The third night, which was Tuesday night, it had a couple little, not so great trades here. Had some bad ones in there, and then finally it hit this one here, and it took out the max profit. So in 2 days, it was $1,087. And then on the fourth day, which again, we haven't got the first one totaled in. So on this one, it actually took the trade and it made it all in one candle, which was in less than a minute that it made the $500. What it did after that doesn't really matter. Our goal was to get our $500. And then on Friday, we entered the trade, and we had a bad trade, a bad trade, a bad trade. 3 bad trades. But we have a session loss that we never hit. You never hit that because we have tight stops. And then we finally entered a good trade over here, and it made the total profit here. It doesn't really matter what happens after this. It might have went ahead and sold off another 100 points, but it really doesn't matter because we're in this to make our $500 a day. So if you take that this $229.12 plus the first day of Sunday night, that brings you into $2,706.36. That's actual trades that it would have entered and made in profit. So on this one, if you were on a $50,000 account, you would be $300 away from meeting your evaluation. So you'd have possibly one more day and you would get it, and then you shut the bot off. don't run it anymore, and you just trade in micro every day until you get through your 10-day evaluation, because you have to have 10 trading days on that. So this would have got you 5 days. One more day, which is tomorrow night, possibly might make you the $500 that you need. It may lose $500. That's just the chances you take when you're trading. So on this one, I think, based on all the back testing, I would say that it probably will hit your evaluation tomorrow night. And how you would end up doing this is pick the account, like I said before. If you come in here and pick the account, also you can sign up for free webinars and news releases. If you sign up here, we don't sell your information, we don't spam you, none of that stuff. The only thing I do is send out whenever I'm going to do something. If you choose to unsubscribe, you can easily do that. This information stays with me, it's not sold. But if you go back into your funded account, again, you come down here, use this coupon code right here, click enroll, sign up for it, and go ahead and get signed up. I have a couple accounts on here that are funded, and it actually works really well. I'm pleased with it. I haven't got any money from it yet because it's been too soon. I think my first payout is either March 1st or April 1st. I can't remember which one to get. I have the $150,000 account, and I got a couple $50,000 accounts. So it actually it works. You get through it. Again, I haven't got any money from it, but I see a lot of other people taking the money out. So get signed up today. And how do you do this? If you come back in here, you go up to SpyBot Auto Trading Bot. You have two options. When you come down here to the bottom, if you can do it yourself, which the videos go over everything step by step. I have like SpyBot step 1, step 2, step 3, 4, 5, 6. And it teaches you how to install this and use it, all the training videos and so forth. So you could do it for $1,000. I used to charge a $400 setup fee, but I don't now if you do it yourself. If you can't do it and you just want me to do it, I log in your computer, do it. I charge $400 for the setup and show you how everything works. And then we have live training videos on how to use everything. When you do this, you also get the VIP Members Club for free. So this $200 is no longer $200. So really, you're paying $800 for the lease and $200 for the VIP for a total of $1,000. So if you do that, and then on the VIP, if we click on this at the top, it will show you everything that it comes with. It's discounts. You get 20% off everything on my website except for the, actually you get 20% off on everything. And the free courses, you get all of them, but the owner finance course, that does not come with it. That's an expensive course, and that is extra. You get all the free live training webinars. We do those every week. You get recordings of the past ones that we've done. Also, you get some extra training videos that you will not see anywhere else that we will do just in the VIP room. Early releases, announcements on all products. You get the this free if you lease SpyBot, which is your best deal. And there's more stuff down through here that shows different things that we do. But the VIP is probably that's probably the best deal on the internet right now, in my opinion, because you get all the courses, live training, everything for $200 a month. But if you do the SpyBot, then, and if you do the VIP first and then the SpyBot, you don't get the discount. But honestly, you would only be saving what you paid on the VIP, so you don't get a discount there. So the best thing to do is to lease SpyBot. And if you don't know how to install, if you don't feel comfortable, you can always do the setup fee. It's actually pretty easy, and I go through step by step exactly how to set up NinjaTrader. And because there's some hidden things in the back end of NinjaTrader that you need to set up, and I go over that step by step. So everybody that has done it has done it very well and very pleased with the videos and stuff and what they got to do. It really doesn't take that long to do it either. So again, but if you need help, I can help you. Last thing, we have this free news releases and stuff. If you go ahead and sign up for that, it's just kind of like a little newsletter we send out occasionally. I don't bombard you with a bunch of emails. I don't like to get emails myself from a bunch of people. About the only emails that I really send out a lot is whenever someone has purchased something and I'm sending out an update on it, or information about it or SpyBot training or so forth. Those are the main emails I send out. And again, this is how it works. There's the first day 477. Second day would have been just right at 1,000, and then you would have been about 1,500, and then you would have been about 2,100, and then you would have been 2,700. 2706.36. That is the 477.24 plus the 22.29.12. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will be happy to help you. Send me an email. If you go into our website at the top, you'll see contact. Click on that. I'm the one that answers all those emails. And send that out to me if you need to talk to me. Just put your number in there and the best time to contact you, and I will. Have a great day. Appreciate you all.